Kenyans have the right to vote. That is exactly what they said. And on the 26th, we must decide our battles not through elite horse trading, people sitting in hotels and deciding our destiny. Tomorrow, gangs, the mafias, the Al Capones will sit in big hotels and decide our destiny. We are saying no. We must decide our own destiny. We are the sovereign. We hold the power in this land. We are the people.
The Constitution of this country anticipates a vacancy in the office of the President. It anticipates a vacancy in the office of the Deputy President. It even anticipates during elections what would happen if a presidential candidate or their running mate were to die. Yet, it does not in any way anticipate a vacancy in the office of the IEBC. And when as a country and when as legislators we want to amend or to rectify this, we are told that these are unconstitutional laws that are attempted to be passed. I think it's time that as Kenyans we begin to ask ourselves hard questions and to critique things soberly. I think we have had enough of the propaganda and enough of the untruths going out there. Last but not least, indeed, it is your right not to vote, but don't stop me from voting. And for those of you who choose not to vote, when we are done with the voting, because we will be out on the 26th to vote, please forever hold your tongue.